What's up guys, Major here. Welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can cut your videos with Joyoshare media cutter. So what you have to do first, you have to click on open, then look for the song you want. Okay, so I'm going to be using this. You click open. So
rated T for teen.
Once it opens, you can now move this little stuff, see? You then move it to where you want it to cut, and then you just move it, then do a little bit cut, and then okay, we're done. So what you can also use the timeline here, start time and end time. You can also use it if you want. So what you have to do next, you have to click on format and choose the format you want. You just choose the one you want, and then you can just click HD video. Just choose any one you want. But for this, I'm not using high speed mode. So in this one, just click OK. So let's see. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna be clicking with this. So click OK, and then you have to click on start. So this is where it shows you how the percent your video has gone. And once it's done, I'm going to be showing you guys. Once it's done, okay, it's done now. So you have to click on this folder, and to take it to the folder. Okay, this is it. Then you just right click here. Then this is the new file here. So I'm going to play it for you guys so you can see that it cut the video.
Fast, incredibly agile, get in and out of conflict. The Ranger is built for precision. In this case, we have 4 locals ready to go for the fine night.
Okay guys, I'm going to tell you guys something about this app. I love this app because you can cut your videos in a way and you retain the quality of the video. Just cut the videos but still retain the quality of the video. So that's why this app is cool. If you like this video, hit the like button, send it to your friends, and I'm making more tutorials about this app. Just like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, Major out.